Hey guys, to take this multifunction switch, you have to go here. Should be one screw right there, another one right there, then there's another one, so there should be three. Next thing you want to do is unscrew this. Just make sure to unscrew it, and then you do not have to take the switch, the switch out. Just make sure you pull the top part out. Then make sure you take that part out, then pull that one. And also you're gonna need a T25 to get the screws. There should be two screws. Once you take it out, just pull it out. And also just make sure to get it on eBay. Make sure to get original one, because I actually changed this 2 times already. So just trying to make sure to do it the first time. Thank you.